have to say I was quite upset when I first found out that I had prostate cancer. That's something that, I knew a lot of men had gotten after they up in age. I'm 76 now, and my father had it. Of course, he never had been treated. So there were a number of things that was open to us. Mm-hmm. But after investigating them all, we decided that they all had very strong side effects that we would not like to have. So anyway, that's really one of the primary reasons we decided on the Institute here.
He had scheduled surgery. He was scheduled for surgery about 4 days after we visited here. So we had to cancel the surgery. But we had a friend who did have the surgery, and 9 months later, the cancer came back. Plus, he has to live with the side effects for the rest of his life. And we figured, boy, we've got to give something else a try. We were still a little skeptical. But we figured it doesn't hurt to try and see what happened. And then when we came here, we started talking to people, and all the good results people have had, it built up our confidence in it.
No, the treatment actually is painless. It's the radiation is painless. The people in radiation are very thorough. The hypothermia takes 45 minutes, and it's done through a heat treat that there's no pain to it. I had no illness at all, except it does make you a little more tired by the end of the day, but that was actually the only thing I ever noticed.
You just finished the treatment a week ago, last week.
Yes.
Do you have any side effects?
No, not at all. And actually, we have never done any special diet. We're kind of traditional people that this is the first time we've done anything different other than the traditional way of doing things.
I don't have any other questions.
Anything you would like to add?
One thing is that, the side effects from prostate cancer, the treatments that the traditional medicine uses, you can be impotent, you can be incontinent, you can have constant diarrhea for the rest of your life, and who wants to live with that if you don't have to? And everything is working just great, so we're really glad. Plus, it's gone.
It's gone. Yeah,
I'm very happy.
And then, of course, getting the PSA results through the months, that continued making us say, hey, look, it's going down. So that's really been proven to be the best thing we could have done.
And since we have a family of longevity, I thought at 76 that we should do something about this, because I think I'm in good physical health, so I think we should do something about it that would be positive, and this is fit the bill just fine. And at the end of the treatment, I'm very happy. I couldn't be happier.